Hi, my name is Clayton and I'm planning to solve a Rubik's Cube using both the beginner's method as well as the Fridrich method. So let's begin. I'll start with a cube that's solved and mix it up real good. Mix, 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 mix. And I'm just going to solve this without really talking too much so I don't mess myself up. Multitasking, just focus on one thing at a time. So, without further ado, the beginner's method. Okay, so we're on to solving the corner pieces. And by the way, all this information about the sequences that I'm moving right now are available on the wiki. So all the details are there. This is basically just a demonstration, not a tutorial. Okay, almost there for the first two layers. Alrighty. Do the yellow side. Okay, almost there. The permutation is the last layer, and we're done. Okay, there we go. All done. Okay, so yellow, white, orange, green, blue. It's all lined up. Okay, next I'll mix it up again, and I'll solve again using the Fridrich method. So the Fridrich method is similar to the beginner's method, using the intuition of the beginner's method. It basically places the pieces where they need to go by cherry picking them and solving the first two layers simultaneously. So there's a bit more thought and intuition required for the Fridrich method, and it seems to be a little bit faster. It's quite a bit less redundant. Okay, so without further ado, the Fridrich method. Aha, here we go. Okay, so that's the first two layers using the Fridrich method, and the rest of the solution is exactly the same as the beginner's method. It's the orientation of the last layer, which is just basically creating the yellow cross as well as the yellow pieces, and the permutations of the last layer. Let me finish this up real quick. Alright, so there you go. The Friedrich method and the beginner's method. Aha. Cheers.